Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming sync with your Samsung account so everything moves between phone and tablet without extra steps. Once done, tune S Pen pressure and palm rejection so handwriting feels natural and accidental touches don't create marks. Next, make a new notebook and immediately pick a template, lined, grid, or blank, because that choice shapes layout decisions later. Make sure to set your default pen style and color now so every new note opens ready for consistent capture and faster workflow. You now build structure. Create folders, add tags, and apply color codes to prioritize and find notes faster. Once organized, capture content. Write with S Pen, type supplementary text, drop in images or screenshots, and record short audio notes for context. This multimodal approach preserves intent. Then tidy each page using the lasso to select handwriting, resize and move blocks, and convert handwriting to text when you need searchable content. Make sure to sync after big edits, so every device mirrors. Now finalize. Export your polished pages as PDF or Word when sharing, or save native Samsung Notes files to preserve layers and edits. Once exported, back things up to the cloud and occasionally export copies to local storage so you have redundant backups. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Force close the app, confirm your Samsung account and internet connection, and toggle sync off and on. If handwriting conversion misbehaves, retrain pen settings and recalibrate palm rejection to restore accuracy and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.